Schwann cell tumors and neurofibroma. So schwannoma and neurofibroma, there are certain differences. Number one, a schwannoma arises from Schwann cells. A neurofibroma involves non-myelinated Schwann cells and other perineural cells. Schwannoma is eccentric, while the neurofibroma is central. Number three, schwannoma can be uncapsulated. Schwannoma are capsulated. Neurofibroma are also lack capsule, so there is no covering and it's entangled around the nerve. The treatment is by removing the schwannoma itself, and sometimes does not need any graft. Mostly does not need a graft. Neurofibroma will always need resection and then grafting.